Okay everyone, this is tutorial how to add form limiter because we know that we have to add some notes to our Google form that student cannot access the link after the timing of in the schedule. Okay, make the Google form and then click this button, choose add-on, find form limiter, install, okay next, waiting until your account appear and then click your account and then izinkan allowed. Okay, wait for a minute. Yay, done. Back to the Google form. Nah, this one. Okay, we select date and time because we want to make time limit for the access. For example, my test is on Thursday 16 and will be end at 11 em. So I set this one. So after 11 em, student cannot access this form and save. Done.